Kaleidoscape is a ride that takes you on a voyage from minimal to maximal and back again. For us to find ourselves doing our second permanent installation in an amusement park is amazing and like totally unexpected, but somehow like really fitting. This project definitely represents an innovation in theme parks in general, and by Meow Wolf and Elitch collaborating on this, I hope that this sparks a rethinking of like, oh, what can a ride be? If you go to Meow Wolf, you might spend like 2 or 3 hours in there like trying to see everything, but here it's like we have under 3 minutes to bend your mind completely. Kaleidoscape is a low-poly video game meets a yard sale in the 5th dimension.